Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. No, today we do not have anything like sounds. Yes, today we have a new lesson with Mr. Sharif Zaki, and I hope you enjoy this. Today we're gonna go, as I told you before, to know about bugs and insects. But today we're gonna know about two famous, important things of insects and bugs. Today we're gonna talk about, yes, as you can see, ants and spiders. So guys, ants and spiders. Ants and spiders. Okay, but do you think we will talk about ants and spiders in which way? Yes, we will know three things about each one of them. Okay? How? For example, I live in a house. I eat, I like pizza, I like chicken, and I like fruits. Yes, so this is where I live, in a house, and this what I eat food, and I walk, I run, I drive a car, I listen to Quran, this way. So, how they live? Okay, this is the point. So we will know, guys, how they look like, their appearance, how are they tall, short, fat, thin, or how they look like. Number two, what they eat, their food, and where do they live. We will know three things about what? Yes, ants and spiders. Ants and spiders. Good. Now let's come to know the thing. First of all, guys, we will know a lot of things about ants. So here we have three things. Okay? Three things. What does an ant look like? Number two, where do ants live? Number three, what do ants eat? So guys, we will know three things. Look like, live, eat. Good. Now I want you to get your pencil because I want you to take notes. How? For example, here it has 6 legs. We will write this. Okay? In each part we will take some notes because I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, so let's start, guys, to do this. Listen first and let's do this.
Ants look like
56.
ants. What does an ant look like? An ant is an insect. It has 6 legs and 2 antennae. Ants use their antennae to feel, smell, and taste. These ants are using their antennae to communicate. What do you think they are saying? Where do ants live? Ants live in big groups. Some ants build homes with many rooms under the ground. What do ants eat? Ants eat leaves, seeds, bugs, and other things. When ants go to find food, they leave a smell trail. They carry their food home, following their smell trail.
Track 57.
Yes, guys. Okay, as you heard that, we will talk about ants. And here, guys, we know, okay, three things. Now, how they look like. Number one, how many legs do they have? Yes, 6 legs. Okay, what about the very important thing, the very strong thing they have? How do they communicate? How do they talk to each other? How do they spend time with each other? Yes, by the antennae. The antennae, guys, they use them so well to talk and communicate. That's really good. Number two, where do they live? Do they have houses? Yes. Do they have home? Yes, but where? Like our houses? No, yes, you're perfect. Where? Yes, underground, underground. They penetrate it, they dig and dig and dig with their small teeth and small hands to go down under the ground. Good. And what do they eat? They eat leaves, as you see, and seeds, the very small things, okay, and other things. What about this trail? The trail is like what? They made a very long line, okay, and they go from one seed to other one seed to other one, okay, to eat. Now, I think you know the basic things about ants. 6 legs, 2 antennae, okay, and how they communicate and where they live. Number 2, let's come to the spiders. The same, okay? So, let's listen to the track and then...
Spiders.
What does a spider look like? Spiders are not insects. All spiders have 8 legs. They don't have antennae or wings. Some spiders have 8 eyes and some have 6. But most spiders can't see very well. Where do spiders live? Some spiders live under the ground. Others make webs. A spider makes a web from silk in its body. The silk is very light and very strong. What do spiders eat? Most spiders eat insects. Some very big spiders eat mice and small fish too.
So guys, now we know a lot about spiders and now we know the difference between spiders and ants. So, do you remember how many legs do an ant have? Yes, 6. Okay, but you know here, all the spiders have 8 legs. 8. Okay, so what about the antennae and the wings? They do not have. So now we know the difference between ants and spiders. Ants were insects, but spiders are not. Okay, so guys, and where they live? The same, underground, but also they have their webs. The favorite home for them. So what do they eat? Yes, bigger things. Like they may eat insects, and big spiders eat mice and small fish. Oh my God. Yes. Okay guys, so let's come here to know what's true about spiders and what's true about ants in your activity book. And actually, if you want to know the number of the page, go back to the first moments, the first seconds of this video, you will know. So here we have some facts about spiders or ants. And here we have only true for ants. Okay, there are only for ants here, and here only true for spiders, only for spiders. And here in the middle circle, yes, they have both. So let's see, take some time to read things here, like they have more than 4 legs, they can climb, they have more than 4 eyes, they have antennae, and they carry their food home, they make webs. Let's see. Yes, now we're gonna circle for both of them, Yes, actually I think they have more than 4 legs, because ants have 6 and spiders have 8. And what else? They can climb. Now let's see which is true only for ants. They have antennae. Spiders do not have. What about else? Yes, they carry food home. Good. What about spiders? They make webs. What else? They have more than 4 eyes. Good. What about, which is right for both of them? C. I leave it for you to do it from here. Okay, let's go next, guys. Next page. Now we have a question and the answer. But the answer has 1 sentence missing. And they are here. We are gonna match which one is right for which one. For example, a cricket has 6 legs, 2 wings, and 2 antennae. What does a cricket look like? So, do you have anything that we can put here? Yes, what? Crickets are different colors and sizes, the same. So, question number 2, how do crickets move? how. Okay, we're gonna read this and find the best matching here. We are gonna find crickets jump, their back legs are very strong. Actually, the last thing, how do crickets communicate? How they talk? Yes, you're gonna find the best match is other crickets understand their songs. So guys, this was everything about our class today. Thank you, see you next time inshallah. Bye.